So these are these cells. So first I'll connect them. So it is connected across the point 1 and 2, that one. So here, so let's take a bad cell here now. The connection is made. Resistance of all the things is R. So definitely a current I will flow. This I, it will branch out. So what to do with this R? I think that this R can be removed, no, here. No current flows through this resistor. If I remove that R, okay, this is point 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one thing I'm very sure is what? V3 equal to V4 from V2 network. Then if I remove this, yeah. So then what is the 2R parallel total effective resistance? What the cell will see is only will be R. How much water can be generated? So here this is, so let there be current. What it flows, let it be I. Let me take I1. So what is the power generated now? Will be P1 equal to E into I1. And this particular power is utilized to boil the water for certain time, that one. So what is the heat needed? H1 is equal to P1 into there's a time taken, let it be T, that one. So this will be E into I1 into T. I1 is what? E by R. What is this H1? H1 should be equal to 500 grams of water mass into space, or just leave this much only time being. Let's come for second situation. Second situation, I'm going to connect the cell across 1 and 3. Then what is it? Current, the same cell. So let the current flowing through the this, let it be I2. And then how you do? Series parallel, this is 2R. 2R parallel to R will be 2R by 3. 2R by 3 plus R. 5R by 3. 5R by 3 parallel to R. Somebody should give value.
By 8.
How much?
By 8 R.
5R by 8.
5R by 8. Yeah. So then what is the power? Power equal to E into I2. E by 5R by 8, or 8 E square. This is, I think, one more step will write it. No, 8 E square by 5R. This is a P2. So then what is H2? H2 should be equal to P2 into T. So this will be same time he has put a condition. So what is H1? Now let's get into H1. H1 is what? He has given 500 grams, no? So heat in calorimetry, ms delta T. So 500 into specific heat of water for the same temperature difference should be equal to how much? H1. Then what amount of water, specific key delta T, should be H2. So here we'll calculate H1 by H2 or H2 by H1. H2 by H1 will be 8 by 5. So M by 500 equal to H2 by H1. 800 grams is needed. Some interlinking things. So the moment actually when you start reading this 500 grams or whatever, we'll start thinking some concept. So nothing to do. There's about current density, bring that idea of heat generated.